Hey y'all, boy, it has been a minute since we've been at the Dollar Tree. I don't know, it's been like probably 3 weeks. So I'm excited to see what new things that they have. Maybe we'll find some unique food products because they always bring in all these really weird stuff. Like we found some Airhead drinks one time. But anyways, I want to see what new things they have for summer. Maybe that's too late already. But anyways, let's go see what they have new at the Dollar Tree. Ooh, they have everything out for Mother's Day. Look at this, Mother Earth. Thank you. So I guess this is some of the Earth Day stuff. Look how I love this mirror. They have some microfiber hair wraps. These are so good. I have several of these and they really work really well to like absorb all of the wet water in your hair. Got some, looks like a foot file with a scrubber and a nail clipper. Dual-ended facial mask. Oh, these are really nice. These are some jade facial rollers. Okay, I don't think that's a real jade. Not here at the Dollar Tree. A vibrating facial roller. Oh, this is very interesting. They even have, okay, so this one has like some balls on it. This one is it's kind of like solid. Those are very interesting. We have a body massager right here. Looks like they have different colors of that. I think we're actually gonna get one of these. My daughter has a little scar on her chin, so maybe this will help get rid of it. It says it helps skin appear more radiant, toned, and firm. I even found this one and it looks like it's more on a smooth surface. So they got like a flat one with a ball and a smooth. Okay, these are so cute, little fly swatters. They have a sunflower and it looks like a little daisy. Oh, they have a long reach pickup. That is super convenient. Oh, I love these bags. Oh, that's huge. Look how huge that is. And they've got like blue, green, and a black one. Boy, that is a great, great bag. They are definitely getting ready for all the barbecue season. They've got tongs, they've got some kitchen towels. They even have some mats. They've got some condiment bottles. Tablecloths. Boy, you guys, they have everything you need for your summer barbecues. Oh, look at this bug catching kit. It is a 2-piece. Says it's for 4+. Looks like it comes with a container and a little net so you can catch your bug. Pool season is coming, you guys. They've got floats. They've got goggles. What is this? A bubble storm? Blow a storm of tiny bubbles. Oh, that looks like fun. Of course, they've got some chalk. A bubble shuttle. What is this? 3+. Okay, this looks like a lot of fun. You add bubble solution to the top platform and then you step on it and it launches a bubble. Okay, I love that. If anybody loves badminton, they've got badminton here. Where's the racket for it? They just have this. Oh, these would be so cute in your front lawn. I love that pinwheel right there. That one's adorable. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These little garden stakes. You can decorate for Memorial Day, keep it, and then you can use it for 4th of July. Y'all, that's so cute. We have lots of gardening gloves, some more gardening stuff. I'm actually wondering if they have some stakes I need for my tomatoes. Let's see, this may work, but I don't want to spend $1.25 because that's actually a plant hanger. But I need some stakes for my tomatoes because they're getting too tall. They have a ton of items for graduation. Oh, everything you need for a party. Look at all of this stuff. Party poppers, that looks like fun. They have all of your paper products that you would need. Look how cute this is. They even have some cups right here. Oh, look, 2024, hooray. Oh, I love this. Love that. And here we are down the Patriotic aisle. Y'all, I'm like speechless with the amount of stuff that they have. Dollar Tree, y'all have really stepped up your game. They've got backdrops here, some fringe backdrops. They've got little gnomes. Look how cute. They have some foldable fans to put on your table. They've got the paper items. They got some fairy wings. Look at this confetti. Oh my gosh, that'd be so much fun to sprinkle like on your picnic table. They have a door banner, glitter star picks. Oh, look at this. Oh, so cute. Little decors here. They've got chips and stuff. More garland. They've got a flag. Oh, wow. They have everything you need. They even have a flashing headband. Oh my gosh. And of course, glow sticks. This is a first, a glow ball. That would be fun. I bet that's fun to play with in the dark. They've got a lot of flip-flops. Looks like a lot of their spring items are kind of going, which doesn't surprise me. I remember this thing was like full, so they have really sold out of those. Some flamingos down there. We're gonna go down the dollar plus aisle. Oh wow, look at this. This is a bubble blower. How cute is that? They have a silly hydrant sprinkler for $5, and that's $3. They have a balloon pump. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of fun. Now I am seeing a badminton set here for $5, so you're gonna get, oh, that's huge. Oh my gosh, look how big that is. You ain't gonna miss that one. They have horseshoes for only $3. A bubble steer. Okay, not sure what that is. They also have some beach towels, some outdoor cushioning. They even have these like trending little shoes right here, but they're like plasticky. Ooh, I don't know. Oh, these are only $5. Those are pretty cute. They feel pretty good too. Okay, we had to stop here. We have some double strength retinol night cream. This is only $1.25. Are you kidding me? What is this? This is a vitamin C serum. Okay, this is definitely giving me some vibes of the Ordinary brand for sure. I think we might need to get that and test it out. Ooh, let's see what kind of nail stuff they have. They have a lot of little press-ons. These are so cute. Ooh, whoa, look at those stilettos. I like those. Oh, they even have like little girl ones. Those are so tiny. Oh, these are so cute for spring. They have some cuticle oil, nail strengthener. Let's see. They have, oh, look at this. They have an electronic nail kit. Okay, $1.25. I bet this would probably only be good for like your natural nail, maybe removing some cuticle, but I definitely wouldn't use it if you have artificial nails. And they got in some brow pencils, and it even has like this little, I guess they call it a spoodle, but like I call it a hairbrush. That looks nice. Here's some eyebrow liners. They have a matte finishing spray. Let's see, they've got, of course, all of their falsies right here. Ooh, a deep pore charcoal acne scrub. Okay, I've heard charcoal is good. I've never personally used it. Let me know down below if you have. I always love seeing what kind of BandAids they have here at the Dollar Tree. They have SpongeBob, they have PJ Mask, and I see, oh, My Little Pony. These are so cute. Okay, they have liquid skin. Has anybody ever used this? So I'm guessing like if you have kind of a bigger cut, you could like glue it back together. I don't know. I'm skeptical. I just did a travel video, and these definitely would have been very handy to have when we were traveling, like on the airplane. I actually didn't have any, but I was thinking I should have got some, so I'll put a link in the description box down below of my Amazon travel favorites. But yeah, this is something I definitely would add to my bag. Okay, Splenda is now making their own coffee creamer. It's liquid. Oh, French vanilla, sweet cream. Wonder what that tastes like. Boy, our Dollar Tree is definitely stacked up and overflowing in the sweet treats department. All right, y'all let me know what your favorite sweet treat is in the comments below.
This is my favorite sweet treat.
That's your favorite sweet treat?
Freeze-dried strawberries.
Freeze-dried strawberries. I do agree. That's pretty good. It's kind of healthy. Ooh, but look at these yogurt-covered blueberries. Those look so good. No. Too sour for me. No way.
I know.
Watermelon. Wow. Okay, Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, but it's like Coca-Cola. Oh, they got some next door. These are my favorite. I really like these berries right here. These are so good. Okay, we've got some more of these warheads. Okay, yuck. I cannot do sour stuff. We're over here in the freeze-dried section. They have apple slices now. They have the mixed fruit. Now, I've tasted these before. They were pretty good. And of course, they have a lot of the strawberry. I wonder what the apple tastes like. These are so cute. Multi-purpose chip clips. Oh my gosh, so cute. What is that? A unicorn. Another little unicorn and a little kitty cat. I love it.
That's supposed to be a dino.
Oh, you think that's a dino?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, they always have the most unique drinks here. Look at this. Okay, cotton candy, Faygo, Warheads sour green apple soda, and Warheads blue raspberry. Okay, so I did do like a little taste test on this one, and it wasn't so bad. It wasn't, I was expecting it to be a little sour, but it really wasn't. But it was okay, but still. And then they have cane sugar soda, which, okay, look at this guy. I guess that's Mr. Jones. Frosty strawberry lemonade, blue lemonade. Oh, look at this. This is Wrap Snacks. I guess he's the rapper. Look how cute these mini fans are. They are so cute. They're very light. That'd be good for like a little fan on your desk or in the kitchen. I wonder if it takes batteries or if it comes with it. Yeah, it looks like you probably have to put batteries in. But yeah, a little bit of air.
What is this?
Ooh, Oreo Cakesters. Now, I have had the original Cakesters and they are delicious. Not sure about this peanut butter. Look at this raspberry scented lip gloss. That is the cutest packaging ever. Blueberry soda and orange soda. Okay, absolutely love that packaging. So cute.